Okay, well, welcome back to Giant Try Films. We are going to do a try not to laugh. Screw it. We're going to do a try not to laugh and just react to videos. A video. I ain't got time to do more. I had asked my dad to come help me, but he's at Walmart. So I asked my stepmom, so I gotta take a shower first. So, you know how that goes, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Let's top it in up here. Let's move this over here. Not to laugh. Impossible. I guess. Let's see. let's watch this one. I haven't seen this one yet. Hold on. Oh, I know what this is. Man, that's just messed up. Although I'd probably do it to my friends, though. Is that mustard? Shoot. Oh, what the heck just happened? My speaker turned off. Oh well. Can you hear it?
Make sure there's nothing in them. I did. It's a war.
Okay, it's good.
Look, I found it. I'm scared.
The whole bucket.
Oh my God, you're
Gonna accept the ice bucket challenge from her sister Mackenzie tomorrow. I think she's gonna accept it right now.
That's what I'm trying to do. No, see, these aren't that, like, they're not that funny.
It was pink. I could even tell it was pink. I didn't even notice it. Dad, go play. Take it, Ryder.
I'm tired of you leaving your messes all over the place. Get your stuff out of the bathroom floor now.
It's my bit.
Keep going. Well, they want to go back up just a little bit. I can't find Elliot. You get the toy with me.
I lost everything. I don't know what I was saying. We gotta finish this video. No, we're not gonna finish this video, we're gonna go look at something else real quick. Oh, jeez. This one. Let's look at, Here's some more fails, and they're pretty funny too. So, what's this one?
The 90s are most definitely back. Be sure to check out the Reebok ad tricks, which are now available at champsports.com.
No. That was not a free brand deal. Let's see. I love dirt bike. And I know you can seriously get hurt on them too, so. Oh! Boy, he was cussing at the phone. Facebook don't demonetize you for that. Ooh. Bro, gotta get up and turn off his bike, bro. Over the handlebars. Nope, man.
Oh, fuck.
Hey,
You're learning.
what's your language?
Wow. Holy shit. I'm alright, buddy. Wow. Woo. I'm good. Oh my god.
He's gonna drift it. Then he's gonna flip. Yeah, no. I haven't seen. Oh, I've seen part of this yet. It was probably a while ago. Oh. Jesus. I think he's gonna hit too. I mean, it's just obvious that he will because he's running in the tree. Bam!
There it is.
I forgot. Never mind. Yeah, his bike's screwed. He broke his case out there on the right. We got this one. Oh, yep. This is where he launches his bike.
Oh, fucking hell.
He got the Oh. 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 Okay. Dirt bike riding is nothing to mess around with. Like, you can get hurt really bad from it, and like, it's a fun thing to do. I mean, as I experience, and my uncle rides dirt bikes, my cousin rides dirt bikes, my dad has rode dirt bikes. I mean, I grew up around it, and some of y'all may have too. But like, always be safe and wear a helmet, chest protectors, and all your gear that you have to wear. And always wear pants because you can get burnt by the bike. But a lot of people get hurt from it. So just be safe. And thank you for tuning in to hold on, I forgot. Oh my god, that makes me mad. Giant Try Films. Thanks for tuning in to Giant Try Films. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.